Well, we're looking for people who are inspired and passionate, who have got a love of learning, and obviously who enjoy working with children, to get into teaching. It is a very challenging job. However, it's incredibly rewarding. You have tremendous job satisfaction. There's also lifelong career development if you're interested in moving up as well. If you're interested into getting into teaching, I would suggest to have a look at the ITE newly accredited providers and their courses. The teacher training is going to be very different now in the future, where schools like ourselves are in equal partnership with universities, so that you would be coming to us for your training. You could start your training with us